It's time to start turning on our equipment. As we explained previously, all the digital units are on the table and we're gonna start turning them on, actually turning on to power and to communication. As we already explained, the important and crucial part for installing this kind of a systems is to create and establish the communication network. For that purpose, we used a simple Ethernet switch to which all of our devices, along with the computer where we're going to monitor the actual data, are connected. So first, we're going to start by turning on the Explorer Premium device. As you can see, the AC cable is already plugged in, and I'm going to simply press the on button, meaning that I'm going to start seeing this green light here, and the LED indicators on the top on the panel will start blinking. There are 3 LED indicators on the top panel of this Explorer Premium device, showing us 3 different information. First one, that we have AC power. The second one is the status of the internal battery. And the third one, which is actually all the time blinking, is actually the state of the, like a heartbeat information. But it's also showing us using different types of colors, it's showing us the state of the synchronization of the device. This connector here, it says GPS, so it's used to connect a GPS antenna to the system with one single purpose, to have the internal time of the system synchronized down to milliseconds. In cases where we do not have a GPS antenna, like this is the scenario here, we have internal battery which lasts for several years and which is actually responsible for keeping our correct time. The purpose of this time and synchronized time here is to use the DigiSync synchronization algorithm, and we will use that time to synchronize all of our connected devices. So once this system is turned on, I need to plug it to the network that we just created. As I already explained, we have 2 Ethernet connectors, and we always use one with our local isolated network, and the other one should be used for DHCP when connected to some external. So we just simply plug in the appropriate cable into the port. And now we are done with the process of configuring and starting the Explorer Premium. Next step is to start configuring and turning on the devices, the digital devices, which in our case will be 2 xWave digital accelerometers and the XLR. So by simply taking off the protection caps and putting the communication cable, since this device is operating on battery, I'm just going to press the on button, and we can see on the top flashing LED indicators that the battery started working. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the second one. And I'm going to turn that one on. And for the XLR, we're going to demonstrate the powering over Ethernet using simple PoE injector cable. So this is the cable here, which is actually connected to a separate DC adapter at the back. So this cable now for my XLR device will provide both power and communication. So I'm just going to plug it in, and since this one does not have an on-off switch, it will automatically start working. So once this setup is done, we can see that using this cable, military type connector and high quality cable, we connected this junction box to our XLR, meaning that this junction box is actually containing our digital relays, for which purpose we're going to use a simple multimeter to demonstrate the turning on and off of the relays from our application. So now it is time to see the system in action, and we're going to start configuring the system from software point of view.